The Ford Flex is no longer manufactured starting with the 2019 model year. Ford has taken a while to address all issues with this midsize wagon since the current generation was first introduced in 2013. With just one recall and 16 complaints for the 2019 model year, this wagon has recently shown the best build quality and reliability in its segment, down from 6 recalls and nearly 780 complaints previously. Is it a good deal in 2019 given that Ford will soon discontinue this wagon from the current lineup? Well, let's find out. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Engine problems. One significant engine issue brought up by many owners is the premature failure or leak of the water pump. The 3.5 liters V6 engine from Ford has frequently had problems like this. According to reports, both long and short-run engines are impacted by this problem. The dealer does offer free replacements for vehicles still covered by warranties. Liftgate problem. With low mileage, the power liftgate function malfunctions, causing it to sporadically close or open when in use. When the button is pressed, the trunk door does not either unlock or open. The dashboard's rear trunk open warning is also illuminated even when the trunk is closed. Backup camera. The backup camera occasionally blacks out. Ford hasn't issued a recall even though owners have reported that this is a common problem. The worn-out wiring harness inside the trunk of some Ford models is the source of similar problem, and these models have already been recalled to address this problem. Doors. The door ajar warning light is illuminated even after the doors have been closed, just like the Liftgate. The Ford Flex frequently experiences this problem, which is linked to the early failure of door lock sensors. Airbags. According to a 2019 Ford Flex owner, the airbags have not activated in the event of a collision. Although the automaker was informed of this problem, no statements from their end have been made public. The NHTSA has registered one accident with 3 injuries against this problem. Tie rods. The steering tie rods on the Ford Flex are rumored to suddenly break, sending the car into a violent wobble or swerving out of control. The user had the dealer change it, but since then, nothing further has been done about this problem, which raised security concerns. Recall. The 2019 Ford Flex is subject to one active recall: possible looseness in the starter and alternator cables. The risk of a fire may have been increased by improperly secured power supply cables at the starter and alternator, which could have caused an electrical arc. The power supply cables for the starter motor and alternator will be inspected by the dealers to make sure they are properly fastened and will be fixed for free if necessary. Should you buy it? Since the Ford Flex has been around for a while, there have been significantly fewer complaints and recalls involving its name. The vehicle still has excellent quality and reliability ratings in its most recent iteration, according to J.D. Power, supporting the claim even if the low sales are the main factor. You could always buy one if you see one put up for sale for a good price if you like the oddball features and appearance of this wagon. However, Ford has already discontinued this model, making it difficult for us to suggest purchasing one. Although we have nothing against this wagon, we refrain from recommending it due to concerns about its future spare parts availability and support.